Ganda ng clouds ngayon, no? Ending. Bahay na lang. Wala talaga! Magkakas na ba yan? Casting.
Airplay. Hindi ko lang alam kung yan ba yung cast nun. Paano ba ginawa ng last time? Nagawa mo na ba?
Hindi pa ako nakapag-try mag-cast eh. Nagwala talaga sa laptop ko na, no choice.
Ready?
Dito sa Mac. Pero baka pwede pang magawan. Paano kaya? Device name ito, Smart TV 4.5s.
Airplay kasi yung nakikita ko.
Lakers. Tito naman, inom na inom si Tito ah.
Sakaling kumaling.
Lakers. Napasok na ba ako? Tayo na. Well, isang ending, laptop.
We had so much back and forth. Anyway, here we go. Let's worry about this.
Isang ending, laptop. Lakers! Lakers! Yung cup mo na Lakers! Tinatak na.
First half for him.
Alam mo, score niyan.
Shot clock at 2. Alexander Walker 3. And it's Doncic with the ball. He's got 5.
Huwag mo naman sinisisi yung player namin. Bag! Binalagbag! Kala nyo, lolo na yan ha. Lolo na yan, pero pwede pa. Walo na lang, walo na lang.
Edwards with 10. There's the double.